speeding bullet or command armies of AI welding robots? Let's dive in.
Welcome to Elements of Control. Today we're unpacking how human ingenuity masters heat, automation, and time itself.
We've come a long way from the smoky, brute force blacksmiths of the 1800s, right? Now it's pure algorithmic precision.
Just look at today's colossal infrastructure. We've got drones monitoring massive hyperscale data centers and sprawling nuclear power plants.
But honestly, the heart of all this is raw, primal power. Think coring molten iron at 2600 degrees.
We literally harness that extreme heat to forge giant submarine hulls and massive turbine rings with absolute precision.
Or take thermite welding. It's a blinding 2500-degree reaction that seamlessly bonds heavy railway tracks right together.
Enter the digital twin. Now we simulate entire factory processes virtually to guarantee perfection before a single cut.
Then, tireless AI robots take the wheel. They execute flawless laser welds, going way longer than any human could. This wild precision spans every industry. We even use high-velocity air jets to perfectly process delicate walnut oil.
So here's the catch. How do we perfect processes that move way faster than our eyes can even track? The catch. How do we perfect processes that move way faster than our eyes can even track?
Well, we use high-speed cinema cameras. Shooting at 1,000 frames per second lets us analyze those flying robotic sparks.
But tracking time isn't new. It actually started in 1873 with Edward Muybridge's famous galloping horse sequence.
He hooked up 24 tripwire cameras to finally prove that a galloping horse completely leaves the ground. Amazing!
Today, we're freezing speeding bullets and water drops midair, completely overcoming blur to dissect exact milliseconds of time.
Dissecting time like this is a total game changer. It perfectly blends hardcore science with the art of high-speed imaging.
Which leaves us with this. Having mastered heat, robotics, and time, what invisible boundaries will we shatter